Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about an important topic: how to build credit with a self-secured loan. Building credit is crucial for financial success, and a self-secured loan can be a great way to establish or improve your credit history. First things first, let's understand what a self-secured loan is. It's a loan where you deposit money into a savings account as collateral and then borrow against that amount. This means that even if you default on the loan, the lender can use the collateral to recover their money, making it less risky for them to lend to you. Step 1 is to do your research and find a reputable lender that offers self-secured loans. Look for a lender that reports to all 3 credit bureaus to ensure that your timely payments will help boost your credit score. Compare interest rates, terms, and conditions to find the best option for your financial situation. Once you've chosen a lender, it's time to apply for the self-secured loan. Be prepared to provide documentation such as proof of income, identification, and the deposit for the savings account. Make sure to read the loan agreement carefully, including the repayment terms, interest rate, and any fees involved. After you've been approved for the loan, the next step is to make timely payments. Paying your loan on time each month shows lenders that you are responsible and can be trusted with credit. Aim to pay more than the minimum amount due if possible, as this can help reduce the overall interest you'll pay over time. As you continue to make on-time payments, you'll start to see your credit score improve. Remember, building credit takes time, so be patient and stay consistent with your payments. Once you've successfully repaid the self-secured loan, you'll have a positive mark on your credit report that can open doors to better financial opportunities in the future. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.